Imagine your phone in a humid environment. The summer heat is relentless. Have you ever noticed slower charging, or worse, moisture damage? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you there's a quick fix? Introducing the viral rice phone charger hack. This simple solution can save your device from summer woes. Here's how it works. First, when your phone gets wet, moisture can sneak into the charger port. This can lead to short circuits or slow charging issues. That's where your kitchen staple comes into play: uncooked rice. Place your charger and phone on a bed of rice. The rice will absorb the moisture surrounding your phone. It's easy, just let them sit for a few hours. Think of it as a cozy, uninvited guest. The rice works quietly, soaking up the humidity. You'll notice your phone charges faster after being dried out. Remember, always use the rice hack in summer. It can prevent fried circuits and protect your phone. So, keep and share this hack to keep your device safe. Try it out next time you face moisture issues. Your phone will thank you. Like and subscribe for more Swift home hacks.